All right, the first pair we're going to talk about here is pound USD, starting on the monthly time frame as usual. All right, taking it to the fundamental directions channel on the membership. We got pound at a positive 6.7. We got the USD at a -5. Short-term direction to the upside because that's what's happening now. Midterm to the upside, long-term to the upside. Okay, pound. The UK has reopened, bars, gyms, everything is open and relatively back to normal. Numbers are good. Okay, US is not the same. Okay, we have parts of the US that are open, not necessarily the whole country. Additional to that, we have inflation concerns that are significant because the US keeps pumping money. The value of the US dollar, in my opinion, will continue to decline. Short-term, midterm, long-term to the upside, meaning that we're only looking for entries to the upside. Okay, monthly time frame as usual, monthly upper, mid, monthly lower time frame. We see buy pressure protecting the downside at our monthly lower as expected. Fundamentals change. Okay, the pound started to gain strength against the USD as things were opening up. They were doing better with vaccines, okay, distribution, etc. So we've seen a lot of strength breaking in between our monthly area of sensitivity, straight shot to our monthly mid-range zone. We have an impulse to the downside, not a change in direction that's expected. Why? Because we know that there's sensitivity at area of sensitivity, which is our mid-range zone. So that's take profit, stop losses, limit orders, stop orders, okay? Area of sensitivity, so market reaction, buy pressure came back in, broke previous high, and now we're going to see buy pressure in battle with sell pressure. However, it will break to the upside. Okay, so now we're on the daily time frame. What do we see here? We're seeing multiple areas of sensitivity, of sell pressure, right? But that's expected because this is a daily mid-range zone. This is an area of respect. So we knew what we're seeing now and what we like is that there's continuational bullish protection. Okay, buyers are coming in instead of letting price find that sell pressure, make a move to the downside. That's expected. Why? Because air support, fundamental direction is to the upside. Now, when we take it to the 4H time frame, all right, we're starting to see that price is breaking first off previous high, which is extremely important. Also starting to make some separation from our zone, which is extremely important. So what's after a push? We have exhaustion, price action, continuational. For price action, entry confirmation for continuational move. So one more time, team, what are we looking for? We're looking for price to make its way back down for a full complete exhaustion, price action, entry confirmation. And we're going to look for our target, our SL, where? At our weekly lower zone. Okay, so that's it for me. Jake, on to you, buddy.
Okay, David, thank you. So the pair that I'm going to take it to is the euro against the yen. We know that the euro is strong as we take it to the fundamental direction. So as you can see, the euro is a positive 5.8 and the yen is a minus 2.1. Let's get rid of that. What do we know? Monthly time frame, we see moves to the upside. All we're really trying to identify on the monthly time frame is flow, and we can see that we are moving to the upside. No bearish candles, so very bullish on euro yen. Let's take it down a time frame. Let's have a look. We can see that we've broken our daily zone. We can see an uptrend pushing exhaustion cycle. And now we're having contact with our 4-hour lower zone. We are going to see an impulse move at this level. And what do we have tomorrow? What do we have tomorrow at 10 o'clock my time? In the morning, we have the core inflation rate. So what we're possibly going to see on euro yen, either a break to the upside or full and complete exhaustion to its daily zone. We just need to wait for this one. We need to wait for the news. But either scenario, we're going to look for a buy here or a break, exhaustion, then a continuational move to our next level. So team, we just need to wait for that news and then we will react to the news rather than guess and gamble, because we don't gamble. We like the odds to be in our favor. So that is euro yen.